Assemble a desk using the Lockdowel channel lock fastening system. I have right here one of the desk legs or end panels, and I'm going to lay that flat on the working surface. Next I'm going to take the shelf, align that into the slots, and I'm going to slide it forward just about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch, not all the way, just enough to keep it in position and so it doesn't flop over. Next I'm going to take the modesty panel, or the back panel, drop that into its slots. Then I'm going to do the same thing, slide it forward just a little bit. Now, I can take the other leg, put that on top, and align all the slots. This is the most difficult part of the process, but once you have all the slot openings aligned, everything will drop into place, and all the panels should sit flush, just like that. Once that is done, now you can start locking in the panels. Just give them a little tap so everything is held together. Then you can start rotating the piece of furniture around using leverage to lock the panels in. So I'm going to stand it straight up. And I'm going to lock in the modesty panel. Now you can use a rubber mallet if you have to, if the slots are a little bit on the tight side. But as you can see, I was able to slide it all the way in my hand. Now the shelf has these spring pins here, or 8mm steel spring pin. Those are actually going to pin into the modesty panel. Kind of acts like a locking key, holds everything together, and also keeps this shelf nice and tight, prevent it from sliding forward, because those pins are going to have an interference into those locking holes. Now we're ready for the top. Take the top panel, line it with the slots. Now again, you can use a rubber mallet and lock it together just like this, or you can rotate the whole piece. Simply slide it down. And you're done. Thanks for watching.